Hello everyone, today I will be presenting a case study on the Gadget Club Orientation. This case study focuses on how the Gadget Club introduced its member to technology, mobile device and application, as well as the process for installing apps and managing content on smartphones. During this presentation, I will cover the main mobile operating system, how applications are installed on iPhone and Android, the difference between pull and push, and the status of the other operating system like Windows Phone. By the end of this season, you will have a clear understanding of how mobile device and apps are managed. Our group consists of 3 members, which is Muhammad Alif Alimi bin Muhammad Zaki, Hashin anak lelaki Pupanesh Waran, and this is me, Ilmi Afif bin Muhammad. First of all, I'm going to talk about the two dominant mobile operating systems in the world, which is Android and iOS. We go to the first mobile, which is Android. Android was developed by Google and was first released in 2008. It is open source operating system based on the Linux kernel, which means manufacturers and developers can freely modify and adapt it for different devices. They have many key features, for example like available on many brands like Samsung, Xiaomi and OnePlus, and flexible app distribution through the Google Play Store and other platforms. Alright, what's about the iOS? iOS was created by Apple and launched in 2007 with the first iPhone. Unlike Android, iOS is a closed source system, meaning only Apple controls its design and updates. It's built on Unix-based kernel derived from macOS, and they have key features same as like Android. For example, like exclusive to Apple devices such as iPad and iPhone. Apps are distributed only through the Apple App Store, ensuring high quality standard. The second question is to verify the status of the third operating system mentioned in the outline. As you can see, the Windows Phone operating system developed by Microsoft and actually has been discontinued. It is because Microsoft officially ends support for Windows Phone in December due to declining market share, limited app availability, and low developer support. Alright, we go to the third part, which is difference between Android and iOS. First of all, let's look at the openness and customization. Android is an open source system, which means like user and phone manufacturer can modify it freely. You can also change the themes, install apps from different sources, and custom the interface however you like. On the other hand, iOS is a closed system developed by Apple. It offers limited customization, and all apps must come from the Apple App Store for security and quality control. Secondly, let's look at the hardware restriction. Android runs on a device made by many brands such as like Samsung, Xiaomi and Google. Meanwhile, iOS is designed to work only to Apple devices like the iPhone and iPad. Now, let's talk about the basic method of installing application. To install application on a smartphone, we use the official App Store provided by each operating system. For Android device, apps are downloaded through the Google Play Store. First, you can open the Play Store apps, search for the application you want, tap install, and the system will automatically download and install it. For iOS device, apps are installed using the Apple App Store. Open the App Store, find the design app, tap Get, and the phone will install it after verifying your Apple ID. This officially store ensure that apps are safe, verified, and compatible with your device. Alright, we go to the last question, is the difference between a pull and a push. There are two main ways content like software on update can be delivered, which is pull and push. In a pull method, the process is user-initiated. This means like the user choose when to download or install the content. For example, like the user might open Windows Update and click check for updates to start the download themselves. In contrast, a push method is IT-initiated. The IT department or system can deploy the update directly to user device without requiring them to take any action. For instance, like IT might use tools like Intune or SCCM to automatically install a security patch on all company computers. In short, pull gives control to the user while push gives control to the IT team.
Good morning and good afternoon to everyone. My name is Arshan Punishwan from DFC10273. Today we are going to present and explain about interface and management demonstration. So the first question is identify common elements on Android and iOS home screen. So here we can see some common elements found on Android home screens. First, for Android home screen, have some app icons which represent the application installed on the device. Second, Android home screen have a dock at the bottom where frequently used apps like phone, messages, camera are placed. Some devices also include a search bar which allows user to quickly find apps or search the web directly from the home screen, such as this.
Hello, good morning and good afternoon everyone. My name is Muhammad Alif Alimi bin Muhammad Zakir from the IT1A. Next, I want to show iOS home screen. Here we can see some common elements found on iOS home screen. First, both have app icon which represent the application installed on the device, which mean like this. Second, both have a dot at the bottom where frequently used apps like phone, message and camera are placed, such as message, phones and camera. Some devices also include a search bar which allow user to quickly find apps or search the web directly from the home screen, such as TikTok.
Okay, for this next question is we have to creating a new folder on the home screen, and I will demonstrate how to create a new folder on the home screen. So I'm using an Android device for this example. For the step 1, tap and hold an app icon on the home screen, and step 2, drag it and place it on the of another app, and you can see a new folder will automatically be created. So for the step 4, you can rename the folder, for example social apps, like this. So for the purpose of using folder is organize apps more efficiently. It helps keep the home screen tidy and makes it easier to find related apps quickly.
For the third question is uninstalling an app from the iOS device. Finally, I will demonstrate how to uninstall an app from an iOS device. Step 1. Tap and hold the app icon that you want to remove. Step 2. Select remove app from the menu that's appear. Step 3. Tap delete apps to confirm. This will uninstall the app from your iPhone and help free up storage space and remove unused app from the device.
So for the conclusion, in this demonstration we show the common interface elements on Android
and iOS,
how to create folders for better app organization,
and how to uninstall an app from iOS. These are basic important skills for managing
your mobile device efficiently.
Thank you.